guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing Glossier and doing a review. I've waited so long for this video and I'm so excited to do this video for you guys. So I really hope you enjoy, and if you guys would like to see more videos like this, make sure to leave a like down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Shelby. So I hope you guys enjoy, and if you're not new, thank you for sticking around. And I'm so glad you guys are supporting me, and I want to say a big thank you to everyone who supported me this past few weeks. And the support means a lot to me, so thank you. A long time I've really admired Glossier, and I really have admired the company that it is. I feel like it's a very unique take on makeup and skincare, and well, I am not a makeup wearer. I have no experience in the realm of makeup, and I really honestly love skincare. Skincare is like my jam. I love all things skincare. I figured I'd dip my toes into Glossier skincare and kind of poke at the world of makeup at Glossier. And you know, I feel like this is not a huge haul because it's very expensive, and you know, I don't want to spend a lot of money there, but I'm really excited and I really hope I made the right decisions in my purchases. So let's find out together and let's get on to the video. Alright guys, so I wanted to let you guys know that this video is not sponsored in any way, and all products were purchased using my own money. So if you guys are interested, I do have a code that you guys can use in the description box for 10% off your Glossier orders, so make sure to go check that out. Anyway, this was really quick shipping speed, so it came in less than a little under a week. Now it did say it was going to be arriving earlier, but there was a delay, and there's been a bunch of shipping delays, so I totally understand that, but for the most part their shipping speed was pretty quick and I was very impressed. Alright guys, let's open this box. Let's hope I don't mess this up. I will say this tape is very cute and very aesthetically pleasing, so yeah, I hope I'm not... Okay. Oh, let's do this together! Oh my goodness, look how pink that is. I am so impressed. Pink heaven for me. I love anything pink. Honestly, this is just the cutest packaging I've ever seen a brand have. And I love the box. It's like so simple but so like fancy, you know? So I'm gonna start off with basically the makeup products. Now I did buy a hoodie, and I waited a long time to get this hoodie because I sold out of this like a few years, like last year, and I really wanted it, but I was able to get it and it restocked, so we're all good. So basically I ended up getting a set instead of individual items because I thought the set would save me more money, and it came with way more. So the first thing is the priming moisturizer. Now I've never used a moisturizer that doesn't have SPF in it, which was kind of a surprise to me. It's the priming moisturizer, and then I did get something that I wanted for a very long time, and that is the balm dotcom. It's a birthday cake, and let me tell you, this packaging is so cute. It's so aesthetically pleasing and just beautiful, you know? I love it. So I ended up getting this, and they had a bunch of different flavors, but this one came with like glitter or like a luster dust in it. Like, it's just so, anything glitter I love, so I had to get this one. Moving on is the Milky Jelly Cleanser. Now this one was probably something that I never would have thought of, but I've heard really good reviews on this very cleanser right here. Now it's very small. I mean, in comparison, it's probably the size of my hand, like exactly the size of my hand, so it's not very big, and it's about 6 ounces, so it's $3 an ounce. And that's about the equivalent to my current one that I use right now. So I'm honestly kind of curious to see if this works better than the one I have now, because honestly that one is my favorite, so it's gonna be pretty hard to beat. Got to share this, but I also got the Future Dew oil serum hybrid thing as a sample, because they give you a sample, and I wanted to try this, that way I can kind of test it out. I'm not a big fan of oils and things like that because I don't want my skin to look oily. I feel like if I was to go for a dewy look, my skin would look really oily. And basically this is just a quick overview of what I'm getting. I'll get more into the products a little bit later, but then I finally got this hoodie. I got it in the extra large because things shrink, and I didn't want to take a risk of getting a large and it's shrinking really small, or you know, things like that. And I'm really tall, so it's hard to find a length that fits me, you know? So I got this, and I kind of like the oversized kind of hoodies where they're just like kind of like Ariana Grande style, where like you can wear it as a dress, but not really. But yeah, say on a real note, this packaging and just the box and everything is very cute, and quite honestly, I do give props to them for their shipping speed and how cute everything is and how clean it is. You know, I will say I'm very impressed. So for that, I would say they do get a good review on that. 5 stars. Guys, so the first thing I'm gonna unbox is this hoodie, because I feel like the products I kind of want to wait till like kind of later in the day as I'm like winding down to go to bed. You know, kind of a realistic routine that I would follow with these products. So I feel like the only things I'm going to probably test are the balm.com and the lip gloss. So starting off, I'm so excited for this. I've waited for this package for a week, but it's felt like forever. So this hoodie is very good quality. Like the quality is just very nice. It says that it's a really soft hoodie, and I have to agree, it is pretty soft. And I love how cute and just simple, beautiful it is, you know? So my plan with this was to wear this with like jeans or like leggings, you know, on like a really cozy fall day, or just whenever it's raining and it's super cold where I live. Just the perfect time to whip this out and just rock it, you know, it's so cute. But I have knee-high boots, and you know, I just thought it's such a cute thing to wear. It's actually the size of my dress. Perfect size. I love the little tag and everything. It's just so cute, and just they even have the little details. Look at that. It's so cute. And I love how these are not the plastic, because I have ones that are plastic and they melt in the wash, and I'm like, what? But it has that on it, and otherwise it's just a pink hoodie, you know? And I believe this was $45, which for a hoodie, I find that that's pretty basic average price. So I'm very impressed and just in love with it. It's just how I like my hoodies, a little bit oversized, very comfy and cozy and just perfect. So it's very nice and very soft. So I would recommend this product a lot. I'm gonna get into the balm.com next. Gosh, you guys, I just realized the box even has little, so cute. I swear, it's the little details. It's so, let's open this. In this, a lot of people said that it's made with kind of like Vaseline, and a lot of people were kind of like, I don't really like Vaseline, you know? So I'm kind of interested to see what this is like. So this is the box. It's really cute and just adorable inside. It just looks like this. Basically, I didn't put anything on my lips. I put a little bit of lip balm on there because it did say that this is not for just putting it on. But I think some people do it anyway, and you should be fine. But it just looks like this. Super cute and shiny, and just, it's way smaller than I thought it would be. That's the honest truth. But first impressions, I don't know if you can see it, there is a lot of glitter on there. It smells so good. So good. And I think this was supposed to be with the Momo Milk Bar, which conveniently was a video that I made a few weeks ago to try and make that cake for my birthday. So very convenient on my end. I will say I'm pretty impressed with it. It makes my like lips feel really super soft, and so far I really like it. And so now moving on to the lip gloss. Even this one has little details like this. It's just so cute and I love it. So in comparison, it's also about the size of my finger. So it's not very big, but you know, it's somewhere. So, of course, oh, this is very hard to open. Oh my gosh, I'm trying not to like spill it or use too much. But basically, we're just gonna put this on. It's kind of angled, so it's very different. This is a very different applicator than I've ever seen in a lip gloss before. Smooth, and anything you're buying from Glossier, I recommend getting it in a bundle if they have it. Now I got this in a bundle, which saved me a lot of money. I think 12 bucks. So this was $30 right here. $30 for product. $30 worth of product right here. This one does not have SPF in it, so I do have to find a way to get SPF on my skin, which I'm thinking I might just use this or get sunscreen that's clear, that way you can put it on top. kind of setback was the fact that it did not come with a SPF, which I feel like a lot of moisturizers nowadays do come with SPF just because it's built in and it's one less thing you have to worry about in your skincare routine. So aesthetically pleasing right now. I look like someone who would be on their Instagram page, you know, with their Glossier hoodie and then their Glossier lips. My lips are feeling really soft and it's very glossy. Now I must say that this is very much so glossier than the baby lips and way more shinier, and just it feels way nicer and less sticky. Totally forgot that this came with a sticker. It was like buried in the box. It looks like this. It's really cute neon. Guys, so it's a little bit later. I'm back. I had to open that window because it just felt necessary. Guys, so I'm gonna try the cleanser and the moisturizer because I feel like now's an appropriate time. It's like about 5 or 6 o'clock, and this is normally about the same time I get my makeup on for my like skincare on for when I go to bed. It doesn't actually say how much I should do, but I'm just gonna do one pump because I think that's pretty necessary. There we go. So we have a little pump and we're gonna wash our face. Okay, let's wash. It smells really good. Very different, but very good. Alright, so I just washed it off and it feels really good. It feels refreshing, and I feel like it's more refreshing than my other face wash. It's pretty high in my ranks, so it's gonna be hard to beat, but quite honestly my face feels really soft, kind of like a dreamy face wash. It's just pretty good. I feel like I should use this for a full week before I can really give an honest review on this, because I feel like using it once isn't nearly enough to see what it does for your skin. So now it's time for the moisturizer. Now I feel like this is, I'm kind of scared to use this product because I don't really know what to expect, but I'm only putting a little bit to start because last time I put too much and I would rather put too little than too much now, so I should probably put more. It smells super good. I'm not gonna lie, some moisturizers smell disgusting and there's nothing you can do with it, but it smells pretty good. Just if I'm looking at the mirror and then I'm looking at you guys, like I'm trying to see what I'm doing so I know what I'm doing from there, but so far it's really nice and my skin feels so soft. And it feels like it feels very light. I feel like sometimes when I wash my face and then I put moisturizer on, it feels very heavy, or like it has like a little bit of like, you know, weight to it, like very soft, and it's not very like greasy. Some moisturizers are very greasy on the skin, or like they're very like shiny, and I feel like this is not very shiny at all. It's very matte like. Oh, my lip gloss and my balm.com managed to stay on when I was washing my face, so I thought that was very interesting and very cool because none of my products stay on when I do my skincare routine. Quieter because it is very echoey in here and I don't want to echo super loud, but honestly this probably has been one of the best product purchases I've ever bought, especially in the set, and I'm glad I bought it in the set actually, because I feel like this would have been a kind of a mistake if I bought it independently, and I probably would have regretted it, but I think purchasing it with the balm.com actually added a new product that I could use on a more daily basis. I'll be honest, my routine is very simple. I don't wear makeup, so it's very simple, and I really try and just do cleanser, moisturizer, and not do too much because I don't want to overwhelm my skin, but also I'm recently starting to want to do more with my skincare routine. Could use a little bit of upgrade. I think I found my new favorite lip balm because it is really good. This makes my lips feel so soft. And earlier they were really chapped and now they're not really chapped. It's magical, I tell you guys. Guys, so I figured I'd kind of go into depth and kind of tell you guys what I think. honestly speaking, the products that I purchased, I was very impressed, and there was nothing I could have really honestly dragged down except for the price. If I would have not put it in a bundle, I probably would have spent way more, and I think the pricing of certain products are kind of ridiculous. For example, the sunscreen, like an ounce is $25, and to me, I just couldn't justify spending $25 on an ounce of product. And you know, I later found out that it was a chemical-based sunscreen, which is not very good for your skin, so I would have been regretful buying that. So like I said, certain things I just would not spend money on, and anything over $100 at Glossier is kind of the cap for me, I feel like. However, I would buy from them maybe once or twice a year because, like I said, it is very expensive and some things just don't justify the price. I really strongly recommend, if you are going to buy from Glossier, buy in bundles or use codes, and you guys can use my code, shameless promo, but don't feel obligated to, because I just kind of wanted to let you guys know what it is so I can help you guys out, and also it gives me $10 to give away hopefully one day and just let you guys go wild. A huge thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to like down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye!